All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Zoom guys, YouTube guys, what's going on? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Lots of amazing moves in the markets yesterday. Some amazing moves. Really big moves yesterday, which we'll have a look at. Yeah, good evening to some of you guys, depending on where you are. It's still your Monday. Happy Monday. Tuesday morning for me. But yeah, lots to run over today. Lots of good opportunities coming on gold. Copper had an insane move yesterday as well, which was just huge. Absolutely massive. Which we will take a look at. Let's make sure all the Zoom guys are in here. Awesome. Cool. What time is it? Coming up to quarter to. Gold have a nice little push up here. But futures is not really looking in sync just yet. So I need to wait for it to follow suit a little bit. But to be honest, I want to see this hourly close on gold first. Hi Faye, welcome back. So let's have a look at some of the moves from yesterday. Gold ended up having a beautiful push in London. Range broke out and then continued pushing. Some very nice moves. I use HG, man. HG on the contract is HGH25, man. Yeah, some incredible pushes here on gold. There were so many good buying opportunities in New York as well, with actually good stop losses. We took buys in the market chat yesterday from about here to here for about a 34 tick scalp before you then came back down and had this really nice breakout. And there were so many good opportunities here because like you had this liquidity level here and up here once you started to reject from it. So this was nothing but a retail trap for people to jump in shorts here, stops above that high. So at any point, once you come near to that high, like even here, like you're coming near that high, you'll break it out. Like buying gold there are just amazing. Even to play up into here and here was huge. And then into the New York session, again, you started to reject from here. What does this do? This creates liquidity above here. So what's this? This is where people jump in shorts. Where does that stop go? Just above this high. So at any breakout towards that level, that's where you go long. Look at that. Boom. That's it right there. 15-minute confirmation, 15-minute fake out. Bam. You go long right there. You look to target. These highs are about 60, 64. And then just beautiful. Start rejecting again. More people trying to jump in shorts. Where's that stop? Boom, just above there. There's your New York scalp for about 70 ticks and ended up running way more as well. Like, you could have even got out like there for like 100. So some amazing opportunities on gold in the New York session. When I woke up this morning and saw this, I was like, damn, I kind of wish I stayed on a little bit longer because that was a really nice move. Around that 2 p.m. London time, right? The New York session. 15-minute fake out. All-time high liquidity above. Daily also flipping bullish. Like 200 ticks. If I just got 100 of that, would have been very happy. So yeah, very active New York session yesterday and London as well. We had the buys in the market chat for a little scalp. And I was having a look. Although the futures is a little bit out of sync right now, yesterday it was perfect. There was no excuse to not get these trades yesterday. Currency and futures yesterday was exactly the same, like literally identical. Where is it? Let me share. Why is it not sharing? The 15-minute and the 15-minute, just comparing the two. There was the fake out on the futures around 28.50, which ended up pushing like 200 ticks. The liquidity grabs yesterday, they grabbed the lows here. So yeah, yesterday futures and currency were identical. Today, obviously, slightly different, but that's fine. There's no volume here just yet anyway. So it looks like maybe they go a little bit out of sync, but there's not as much volume, because there was a lot of volume yesterday, and the futures and currency chart were identical. Again, absolutely identical. I actually made more trading the futures yesterday than the currency. We took these buys here. Where is it? Scalped up into these highs. On the currency, it was about 27. On the futures, it was like 34. So the currency actually paid more. This flip on the futures as well is around 200. How much is it here? Pretty much same. Pretty much same. But yeah, we do have some very, very nice upside liquidity today here on gold. Around this double top is a very, very, very nice level, which is why I'm starting to watch this, because you're already starting to have a pretty decent breakout here. But it's too early on in Asia to buy just yet. However, the futures is still lagging behind, so we need to kind of wait for them to follow suit. But we can see here yesterday on gold, what did we do? Look at this. Came back down, retested all of these levels, held our monthly resistance, which is now, if we just go, let's go monthly. We can change that from resistance to sup. Because you broke it last month, you held it, it was resistance, you broke it, you held it, you pushed higher. Still monthly resistance here though. So yeah, yesterday you came down, massive, massive panic at the open across all markets, which we'll have a look at as well. We'll have a look at everything here this morning. And then, let me have a look, man. Let me see. What's here? Yeah, GCJ25, man. Yep, that's correct. GCJ25. Nah, futures never. Nah, all of yesterday it was identical. Sometimes it is, but most time it's. I haven't had any issues, to be honest. Maybe on like the very, very low time frame or something, but no, not really too much. It'll follow suit soon. So beautiful grab of these lows, holding this massive resistance, and ended up flipping bullish and actually closing above 2,800. So it's the first time ever we have seen gold close above 2,800, which is huge. Breaking above 2,800 is massive. You know, obviously on gold yesterday we were open to sells because we were looking for this pullback. Well, today, now that we've broken the highs, I'm only really interested in longs. I only really want to be buying gold today. We're just breaking out non-stop, so I don't really want to be shorting gold. Although, you know, you may pull back down and grab some of these hourly lows that you do have here. Personally, I'd rather wait for that to happen than buy out of that, because I know the easiest trade, like we've seen here, you know, grabbing lows, closing bullish, the easiest trade is just buying gold. Keep buying gold. That was actually really nice. When was that? Not much of a bottom weight. Grab the lows, close bullish. What's that? Buys around 11 a.m. London time as well. Very, very nice. That's what I kind of wanted to see this move up here yesterday. Let me have a quick look at this 4 hour. Yeah, you haven't really grabbed the lows here, but you do have liquidity above these previous 4 hour highs, which when we drop down to the lower time frame is also a nice 30-minute and 15-minute double top. So I like gold buys up into there. And we're about to get back above this level. I don't like that we didn't really re-grab the lows here, but to be honest, you know, we'll worry about that after. If we start breaking out and we have liquidity above, we don't want to be too glued to what could happen. Let's see what's happening right in front of us. We break out, we have liquidity above, gold's overall bullish. We need to react to that. So yeah, crazy opportunities yesterday. Was there any opportunity? No, not too many opportunities in Asia, but opportunities in London and New York yesterday, and big opportunities as well. Very, very big opportunities. Let's have a look at copper. Took these copper buys last night. We spoke about these liquidity levels up here, based off the weekly, forming this beautiful morning star where you're rejecting your regrab and the lows, holding major support without really grabbing any of these highs. So this is more of a longer term play, but I got long on copper before I went to bed last night. As soon as I just saw it, you know, just grabbing lows, breaking out, I was like, oh, maybe you could come down and grab some more lows, which I was open to. But to be honest, I was like, I just want to take it from here and just see how it goes. I ended up waking up and we hit highs of like almost 200 ticks, which is huge. And now we're going to be targeted around here. and here on copper. So beautiful breakout that we were talking about yesterday. Daily didn't really close above though. You kind of see you did hold the resistance, but you did massively wick the lows. So I would say to come at least grab Thursday's high looks nice. So there's the opportunity today for copper to pull back, and this will become a nice liquidity level, and then we can look for more longs on the futures as well. We can come back down, hold some levels here. We could be looking for more buys on copper. Kind of see you grab the highs, close bearish, grab the lows, close bullish. So you see a little bit more. I don't know how copper moves in Asia, but if copper can pull back, maybe back down to 4.3, you do have more longs. DAX yesterday. Let me have a quick look at gold. Yeah, gold's going to get a breakout soon. DAX yesterday did come in to creep up more of this gap, grab these lows, strong push up, put them back, and still kind of filling in this gap, but I don't really see too much of interest on the DAX. Look at that, Nasdaq filled in the entire gap. What a push. How is the daily? Pretty ugly. Yeah, look at that, coming straight for that gap. Massive gap down, pretty much what we did last week. Gap down, filled in the gap, and then pushed lower. So we gap down, filled in the gap. Could we be squeezing up, or could we be coming back down? Gold, I've literally just spent the past 10 minutes running over gold, man. 10-20 minutes running over gold. Just go back and you should be able to... Oh, wait, can you do that? Let me change it so you can go back. How do I do that? Yeah, you should be able to scroll back and see it, man. I just spent 20 minutes breaking down everything we're looking at for gold. So yeah, Nasdaq filling in the gap, which is very, very nice. I kind of did want to see it put a little bit lower to get some bigger buys from down here. I assume S&P's filled in the gap as well. Yeah, S&P's filled in the gap. It's the same as SP. I was looking for this to... I guess you did come down and grab... see, that's why you kind of got to look at the correlation. ES grabbed Monday the 27th lows. Nasdaq did not. However, as long as the S&P does it, that's good enough. So, and either or. If Nasdaq grabs the low, S&P doesn't need to. If S&P grabs the lows, Nasdaq doesn't need to. So S&P came all the way down, grabbed the Monday low from last week, and then boom, broke back higher. What a huge push. I bet some of you guys who trade Nasdaq and ES in New York made some serious bank yesterday. I bet the top step guys made bank. Look at that. What a day. That's the days you like to see. Ripping the lows, closing bullish, like huge, 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 huge. Officially add DAX to the watch list. That's up to you, man. That's entirely up to you. It's not me to tell you if you want to add it to the watch list, man. If you like the way it moves, sure. Give it a try. Give it a shot. Oil, did oil end up? Nah, look at, oh my days. Look at oil. Rip the highs, bam. Biggest day I've ever had trading NAS yesterday. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I bet, man. It was huge. Very, very big. Thing is on NAS, like, you know, one contract, like just taking that, like from there to there is a big move as well. I saw Alad did take a trade and got a little bit chopped up, but I looked at his chart and I was like, that looks beautiful for longs. I don't know if he got a re-entry. Oh, Maverick already in the buys. Nice. I like that trade. Where was Alad's longs yesterday? I think he was on the 1 minute. Was he around, what, 5 o'clock London time? Ended up ripping. Where was he? Oh, it took his time to be fair. Where was he? Yeah, here, I believe. Alad was trying to get the longs, like... It's why the trendline liquidity on gold works, Nasdaq works so well. So I think he was buying up into this trendline and kind of got chopped around here, which was horrible to be fair. But then he did end up pushing. But look how ugly his price action was in the 1 minute. Did end up ripping that trendline though. Let's see. Nasdaq intraday probably continue to creep up. Let's see this gold. Closure in hourly close about 40 seconds here. Don't think I've seen take a trade in Asia. Well, how many streams have you watched, man? Stream every day, man. Do the Asia twice a week, London every other day. London 3 times a week, Asia twice. Look at this. Gold's about to get a solid breakout here with very, very nice liquidity above. Shame you didn't quite grab the lows, but like I say, you don't want to worry about what could happen. As long as we're breaking out, we have really nice targets. Let's see. Nice hourly closure there. Into a instant top wick. Is the futures looking similar? I hope so. Yeah, are they really off? Yeah, very, very off. Gold futures is still asleep, yeah. Gold futures is still sleeping, which is not what you'd want to see. But you do have some nice trendline liquidity, though. You do have some nice liquidity. 16 ticks. Yeah, completely out today. To be fair, it's still early days. That's why I was saying. That's why it was good to look back. Yes, I see they were very in sync. But this morning, they still need to wake up a little bit. I mean, to be honest, this gold futures chart is still looking good to break out. Let's see, 15-minute coming down here in the currency. Futures is also kind of it's also coming down. Yeah, let's see how the currency reacts on here. You did on this currency did open up, grab the highs, decent push down. This is a really nice rejection level though, and we've closed back above it, and we're overall looking for longs today. So it does look nice. Yeah, that futures is really throwing me off though. I don't like how weird that futures looks. Can I send oh, you can copy charts here on Top Step X. Let me send it to you guys here on Zoom as well. That's the 5-minute, which if we have a look here. What time is this? This was, yeah, look at that, solid push up. Where was that here? No, did not push. Let's see. The futures is trying to, I mean, futures is now trying to squeeze up. Currency is still pushing down a little bit. Let's go to the 15. I don't like the 5-minute anymore. Let's have a look at 15. Yeah, that futures is really not doing too much. See, if this was just the currency, I'd like to consider a flip of the re-break of the high here and see if you can have a decent pullback. These ranges are pretty big as well. Futures is already flipping though, so I can't put in a buy stop on the futures. The futures already. Yeah, I'm thinking the same, man. Especially, that's why, you know, like, see this, if you look at the hourly here, it's a shame this didn't just, you know, maybe just like, even just wick like the previous low or something like that. So I really like these buys today, but I don't like how you didn't really grab too much there. Same as the 4 hourly as well. Didn't even re-grab 4 hour lows, came very, very close to it, but couldn't quite re-grab them. But for gold, it's a good man. For gold, I just use about 1 to 2, man. 1 to 2 is good enough for me. More than enough. You don't. It depends on what, you know, account size you're trading. For me here, trading on the funded, just 1 to 2. Most of the time, just one, to be honest. Sometimes two if I can get a good stop. But I like to, yeah, just use one's more than enough. You get 20, 30, 40 ticks on gold, you know, 200, 300, 400 US dollars a day on one account. I've passed 50Ks just using one contract. I've passed 100Ks just using one contract as well. I have a video coming tomorrow actually about risk management rules to pass a 100K on Top Step, and I have another video coming in another week or so about my risk management I use to pass the latest Top Step account. Really? Let me check on mine, man. If they have, that's a good spot again. Let me see. Let me check my charts. Goldie. Hourly, I think you might be right. Yes, you are. So actually a beautiful morning star. On my broker, this hourly on gold is a beautiful morning star. And this did actually grab the lows, so it's just Awanda, which is saying it doesn't, but it has been on another one, so cool. Good spot, man. Let's see if we can get it, because I like that. That's looking beautiful. I would have been buying it from down here if I'd known that. Got a view. Yep, sounds good, man. I'll post it tomorrow. Yeah, I like looking for longs around here on gold. I was going to drop to the 5 minute, but I'm not going to drop to 5 minute just yet. Is the futures making sense yet? No, not really. I have to scalp on the personal today. Futures, look at that. Futures just got in it. 28.15. Yeah, nice. 28.15. Is it breaking these highs? Yeah, nice. We're already 20. Wow, look at that. Big ranges. 25 ticks. Yeah, nice. On the 15 flip. Yeah, beautiful, man. I like that. I like that. I think these are some very decent ranges here. 27 ticks is right there. I really like this double top though. I really want to see if we can get a good scalp and hold it into them highs. From where we're at, you know, from here to here, that's like a 70 tick range, which is very nice. What's that on the futures though? On the futures, let me see, 15. I think it's probably even more. Yeah, on the futures it's like 100. What time is that? 7:15. Yeah, on the futures, yeah, it's about 115 up into them highs. I don't want to miss that trade either. $15 not looking too convincing. If this 15 does close like this, maybe the next 15 comes down, grabs the lows, hold support, and then bam, then we can take it. Don't know if it'll look that big. Then we can take it, risk off that low, and then we got a nice trade. Where's my... Yeah, my currency actually does look very nice. Futures breaking higher. 5 minute here on Goldie. I'm trying to do it. I don't like how this 15 is already flipping though. I can't really. I like you know, if we re-break these highs on the currency, we're looking good. Let's see. Not a fan of those 3 highs. On the left on the 15. These ones. Hey Andrew, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Missed these Asian streams. Good to be back on, man. Good to have you back. I'm good, thank you though, bro. I'm good. Hope you're doing well as well, man. Let's have a look at the 5 on the currency. Just have a quick little look. Yeah, it's a pretty decent grab. Solid bearish close. So no, not just yet. Let's go off that 5. Yeah, this 15. If this 15 doesn't flip, great. Next 15 to come down, give that bottom wick, and then boom, boom. You got a decent breakout, and then you got a decent stop as well. You have a nice liquidity grab and a good target. Previous hourly was nice. 4 hourly, big level. Or, you know, if the 15 like gets back below like here or something, then that's also good. You got 15-minute fake out buys just like down here yesterday. You rejected it, you close below, close back above, cool. 15-minute fake out buy, long, beautiful. Exactly the same thing to happen here. Whether we fake out or not, we'll see. But if we come down, grab some lows, hold the support, buys. Exactly the same thing here. Exactly the same setup. I do like them fake outs. You can't rewind the stream? I thought I fixed it. Let me see, man. Let me have a look. You guys can? I can't either. You can rewind? Yeah, I mean I did change the setting back, so you might have to maybe refresh it, but I can't do it on mine. I can't either. You can rewind? Not on my phone anyway. You can? Let me see. I can't on my phone. Nah, I can't on my computer either. Some of you guys can, some of you guys can't. You can on your phone, you can. Yeah, I can't on my phone, I can't on the computer either. I changed the settings last time because I read out my phone number, so I had to turn it off. But I've just turned it back on, so maybe it's because I didn't do it at the start of the stream. Yeah, it'll be uploaded anyway after, man. Yeah, I did just change it, but maybe I had to change it at the start of the stream. What does this mean? Enable DVR. Enable DVR. Yeah, let me turn that on. That should be on. All right, let me see. We got time here on Goldie. Let me see. All right, it should work now. I just changed something. It should work now, man. Give it a try now. You can? Cool. Let me see. Nice. There we go. Goldie about to close bearish here. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's what we're going to look at. We're looking at oil as well. Let's have a quick look at oil. How did oil close yesterday? Works. Cool, man. Cool. Oil. Wow, look at oil. What a huge push. Held 75. Did you grab the highs? A little bit. Not really, though. Big sell-off. I think a lot of people... This is why I'm not a huge fan of trading oil, but I do still like to look at it. A lot of people who try and trade trendline breakouts, you know, probably getting squeezed out on this oil trade. You had a decent breakout there of this trendline, but you couldn't really close above that level anyway. So whether you trade trendlines or you trade breakouts, well, $75 is a big level on oil. You couldn't get back above it. Did you get above it and fake out in the hourly? Nah, even the hourly. Couldn't get back above it. However, it is quite interesting though. If you do grab some lows on oil, you have left big liquidity above. That's why I wouldn't have shorted this, because you never really re-grabbed the highs. So leaving that liquidity above, grab some lows. Maybe more of a swing out look on oil. Gold closing bearish there. I think we're going to see us dip down a little bit more. I would love to see some 15-minute lows grab before we can get the buys. How's it looking on the futures? Futures is still squeezing up. Doesn't look very nice in the futures just yet. But looking at the currency, yeah, currency looks like you could squeeze down a little bit more. Grab some 15 lows, then break out. Cool. Let's have a quick look at the 5. I don't want to trade the 5, but let me have a quick look. Ooh. Look at that. Did just grab lows. I can't even trade the 5 anyway, because the futures is just so different. This looks like you're going to push up here. It is for an impulse trade. I'm not taking this, guys. I can't take it. The futures is just so different. It's not going to be the push that's going to rip these highs, but maybe it's like an impulse trade up into there. Nah, it's not even worth it. Because the 5-minute here, look at this. You did just come down and you just wicked these lows. Wicked out the lows, held the support. That's quite a nice little liquidity grab there. Did you also just grab previous 15 highs? Oh, not quite. Not quite. I got a little 5-minute level there. A little level here as well. 20-tick range. So all I want to see is just a... That's all we want to see. Copper ripping. Good morning, brother. Good morning, man. Good morning, good morning. So it's very, very messy in here. When was this? The New York PM session. But there's just this is such a nice liquidity level that there's such a high chance we're going to take this today. It's a beautiful level. And we do have to remember, anyone who's looking at this as a liquidity level, we did just spot that it has actually been grabbed on some brokers. So, although it hasn't been grabbed on Oanda, it has been grabbed on others. That's why buying it from here was nice. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Whoa. Goldie. What did I miss? Is the futures pushed as well? Yeah, futures is pushed as well. Where did that come from? 15-minute held the resistance, kind of closed bearish. Getting back above. 5-minute trying to get back above as well. Let's see. Maybe bottom wick on the next 5 might be enough. Let's have a look. It's a decent breakout there. Very, very nice breakout. Oh, don't just rip it though, Goldie. It's like if you just impulse buy it now, it's like, well, where's your stop? Yeah, very messy, man. Yeah. So if we can get bottom wick, you know, we'll look to get in it. But if you chase it now, you got no stops. How'd that? Yeah, I mean 30 flip bullish as well. 15 hourly. Yep, hourly was nice. Hourly and 30-minute were nice. 15, not so much. It's like if you chase it from here, you can have a crap risk reward. However, if the next 5-minute can open instant bottom wick, cool. Let's see. 5-minute open instant bottom wick, and gold looks good to continue pushing up. All the way up into these highs here. Even that 5-minute on the futures. Even here. Closed above, open, rip. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, didn't do what we want here. Like yesterday. They're the ones you want. Not these ones. You know, if we had grabbed the lows, bam, you know, we'd be in it before then. However, because it didn't grab the lows, we have to wait for it to break out. As soon as it does, cool. We're in. Already starting to reject. Look at where you're coming into. A lot of crap. A lot of mess. But this is a pretty decent push. There's some good volume. Yeah, 25 ticks in 2 minutes. Yeah, literally. These are some big ranges. 37 ticks there. Maybe if you take the 5-minute breakout, even though there's a high chance I'm going to grab these highs, you would have to manage here. You have to. And you could manage maybe stops if you get back below here. 13 for about 34, not bad. Futures did push up as well, which is nice, makes sense. How long does 5 close? 1 minute here. I mean, you've got 30 close and 5 minutes straight after that as well. What's going on? Yeah, you can borrow 19.99. I don't have 20. I can't do 20. I can do 19, and that's gonna me going in some serious margin. What's going on, man? You should have asked, I'm in shorts. Just joined. Hey, man. Did you guys get in the push? Nah, not yet, man. Not yet. I don't want to... You don't want to be a buyer here on gold. You don't want to be buying at resistance, especially not without grabbing lows. I do like these buys, but not here. If we can now close above here, cool. We got buys all the way up into here. But now I'm not in it just yet. It's not confirmed yet for me. Now it's confirmed. Cool, we've closed. Again, need a bottom weight before I can take it. I'm not just going to impulse buy from here. You just start buying from here on gold, like you have 0 risk to reward. 30-minute was nice, to be fair. You know, 30-minute did actually close above. Close above, held it, pushed higher. Shame the 15-minute wasn't as nice. Look at that 30 flip. Let's say 35 ticks. But yeah. 10 mil, easy. Easy. Again, no bottom wick on this 5, so can't chase us here on gold. If this is given a bottom wick, you know, we'd be looking to get in. Nothing yet. Same as yesterday, guys. London ripped yesterday with no real entries. We still got our trades from here to here. You don't chase this. You try chase up here. You get caught up in this pullback, and you try jump in shorts, and you get chopped out, and then boom. Yeah, pretty much, Sam. Yeah. Did you trade New York yesterday, Daniel? Did you trade New York, man? Some big NY trade yesterday. Any rejection from here as well, guys, is going to be good. People will try and short this, whereas their stop going to be above here. So any rejection from here is boom, great buying opportunities. Yeah, 30 flip. Yeah, nice. You got 30 flip. That's a good trade. Broke out, bottom weight, break even. Yeah, nice. The old me would have been at max Foreman house, smashing the buys. Yeah, no, that's good. If there's no entry, there's no entry. It could rep up 1,000 ticks. It doesn't matter. You still get your trade. Like yesterday there was literally so many opportunities to buy gold with our plan. It'll absolutely come up again today. Bottom wick. Well, if the 5 minute just opens and instantly pushes up, this could be a top wick for it to flip bearish. So if I want buys, I want it to open, push down, create the bottom wick, then flip, and then I can get in it. Because if I start trying to chase this, given there's no bottom wick here, at any point this could come down to create the bottom wick and I could just get stopped out. Even here. No bottom wick, no bottom wick. Doesn't matter as much on the 5, but still, I'm not going to take a trade without that. So given this 15 is about to close very bullish, same thing again. You're on the 15 to open, push down, create the bottom wick, and then flip bullish and drive. And then the candle will look nice, like this. But if it just opens and pushes up, that's not what you want to see. Because at any point, it can flip and go against you. Caught it around 8 p.m. Brisbane time. Yeah, same as me, man. Yeah, and ended up ripping. There were so many opportunities in New York session as well. Like these fake out buys. Like when I woke up and saw this, I was like, man, there was like 200 ticks on the cards yesterday. Broke below, broke back above, bottom weight, like huge. Around 12:30, something like that, man. Yeah, something like that. I start watching it around 12 o'clock London time. The futures is looking in sync now as well. Let's see that 15. Yeah, 15. I mean, even on the futures, no bottom wick on the 15. You never would have taken that, even if you were just watching the futures. However, now that it has broken out, cool, that's confirmation. It's confirmation of volume, confirmation of direction. And you do still have, up into that double top, especially on the futures, about 100 ticks still. So let's see if this 15 can bottom wick and then we can take it. We've broken out very well, and you've actually broken above this, which is nice. You've cleared a lot of this noise, which is what I wanted to see. Now, any rejections from here, this will be where people will try and jump in these shorts. Bottom wick though, Goldie. I need that bottom wick. Discount code's not working? There's no discount code, man. You just go on the link, accept cookies, and it should be automatically applied. Come on, gold. Get a little bit of bottom wick. That was the 30 close as well, so I'd never take a buy on no 30 bottom wick. Let's have a look at the 5. Yeah, 5. Nice rejection. Grab some lows, re-break out. Cool. Get rid of this. What do you have? If you can grab some lows from even from here, what's that? From there's there. Yeah, 25 ticks. Nice. Copper breaking higher. Let me just get the DAX out. I think DAX. So see if the DAX will be a bit more interesting today. The way this is creeping up, it makes me think DAX can have a very nice sell. Well, there we go. Cool. Now we're getting this bottom wick here on gold. So let's see how if we can grab some lows, hold support, and then boom, we can get the buys. Can't accept any cookies. Too funded 50k from your referral. Good job, man. Well done. That's awesome. Good work, man. I'll be trading on the funded Top Step account today as well. These are the gold buys from yesterday. Oh, there we go. This is a nice bottom wick here. So if we can flip bullish here, we could have some longs. And then you got a decent stop as well. What does this look like on the futures? Let me just quickly fire this up. Futures was the currency it's about to flip. Let's see, 2 minutes. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, 30 is looking like it can flip as well. I don't know what the feel's gonna be like. I don't want the futures to fill me in before it actually does flip. You may even consider a break of the wick higher. Let's see. 27. Futures is still coming a little bit lower. Currencies flipping. Futures is not. It's a nice bottom wick on the 30 minute as well. What? Sounds like a scam to me. Futures not flipping just yet. Futures holding up. Futures has gone to sleep, I think. Nah, not on the funded account, man. Only to get the payout. Futures is trying to flip big, guys. You're gonna get probably a bottom wick on the next 5. Now the futures is trying to flip. Let's see how this next 5 opens. If you're in the currency, you're already flipped in as well. Flipped in, already tagged in, I should say, not flipped in. Let's see. How's that 5 closing? Not the best. Any stops on this is just kept below the previous 5 low. Keep it tight. It's had a big push up today, so I wouldn't want to risk any more than that low there. If we can't flip and drive from here, you know, you could retrace more, which is fine. I'd look for a better entry. So you'd be risking like 10 ticks. 30 is also coming in some big resistance. You're trying to play this up for a much bigger play. 5 minute on the currency. If you're on the currency, you could actually manage if it re-breaks that low soon as well. You're trying to get it into here, which is weird though, because these highs here on the currency, on the futures, we are absolutely nowhere near that. Nowhere near that. So you'd probably have to manage probably the futures a little bit sooner. Let's see though. If we can't drive from here, I will look to manage. You probably manage what previous 30 highs, which is there. Previous 30-minute highs. Is the 5 minute going to be good to us? It's been a while since the 5 minutes been good to us, but let's see. I haven't scalped there in the 5 minute in a while. Futures is surprisingly, considering the volume is very low. I actually had a very good fill there on the futures, like an instant fill. Futures looks like it's pumping, but it's like also just not moving. If it was to come back down from here, I probably would just close. So my fingers on the trigger to close it. Yeah, nah, I'm out. I'll close there, guys. I don't like that. If we were going to drive, we would have driven already. I don't like that. You also just grabbing the previous highs as well. Grabbing the highs and then coming back down makes you think you're going to squeeze a little bit lower. So I closed there at break even. Potential to minus 10. Minus 10. Potential to re-enter soon. But that 5 minute was breaking the highs. If we were going to push, we would have pushed already. But the fact that we pushed it and then started to flip back down makes me think we're going to squeeze just a little bit lower, which is fine because we still haven't grabbed the 30 highs. Still haven't grabbed these 30 highs, which is still nice. But by the looks of this, I wouldn't be surprised to see us just dip a little bit down. You know, maybe the 15 closes back below. Same as before, the next 15 may come down, grab the lows, and then cool. Then we can get back in. And as long as we leave this liquidity here at this high, that's good. But yeah, I closed that at break even, minus 10. Yeah, look at that, 15. 5 minute coming straight back down there, so would have stopped you out for like only 10 ticks, but still. It's more so understanding that we were grabbing the highs, and if we're not going to drive from there, you're probably going to come back down. I think I saw maybe like 6 ticks or something. Yeah, and it is at that strong level. Look at this. Although I do believe we're going to rip these highs because most people are trying to sell, an initial reaction off this resistance makes sense. Oh, look at this. You're going to get straight back in. Is that just an extra liquidity grab again? Oh, I didn't grab the lows. Oh, you did. Wait, did you grab the lows? Very, very close. May get back in here in a second. Let's see. Let's see. Did you just do us dirty there, gold? The futures did come down and grab the lows. Futures not quite flipping. That was a decent grab on the futures. What was that? 16 ticks. Currency's pushing up. Futures is pushing down. Tempted for a flip on this futures here. I'm not in it just yet. Wait, what? Let's just see this 5 close. Currency's looking good. Currency's looking good. Futures is not moving. Instant bottom wick, and I'll take buys again. You're gonna grab them 30 highs. 1 second. All right, instant bottom wick. Top wick on the currency. Futures 5 minute did close bearish, but not really that bothered about that. Bottom wick Goldie. No, don't top wick it. Come down. There you go. Where was that buy? There. Goldie. I'm going to see if I can get along here on the futures because the currency's re-breaking the highs. You can just keep a tight stop. Currency's re-breaking the highs here, so let's see if this futures can push. These highs here. So you're going to push all the way to here. Currency did us a little bit dirty there, but a little bit dirty here. But as soon as you start re-breaking 30-minute highs, you could just start clearing some levels. Get rid of that for now. How does that look on the 15? Ooh, currency. Futures pushing. Yeah, look at that 15. Yeah, 15 looking nice. Currency is grabbing the highs. You're in the futures at 54.4. Nice, man. I'm in at 54.5. Currency is grabbing the liquidity that we spoke about here. The thing is, the futures is nowhere near it, so I don't really know how the futures is going to push here. I'm just going to have to close it at 11 ticks. I don't really want to close that at 11 ticks, but with the currency grabbing the highs, the futures nowhere near it. I don't know if the futures is going to continue pushing up, or it could just push down from there. So yeah, I'll close the 11 ticks. All out 80 pips and 20 pips. Well done, man. You got the lower entries right. Amazing, man. Good job. Straight into all them liquidity levels. Yeah. Where did you get your first buys from? Was it like down here or something? Like down here, which was fucking beautiful. Yeah, like 80. Yeah, fucking fantastic trade, man. Fantastic trade. I didn't get as much as you got in a 28.15, 28.15, man, beautiful entry. 28.15. Yeah, 85 ticks, huge, man, well done. As soon as that, especially on your broker, if it grabbed the lows, you got the 15-minute fake out again, 15-minute fake out, 15-minute fake out. Great trade, man. Very, very nice trade. I got the scraps. I got the scraps of it. I got like 10 ticks. I know that's it, man. The futures is like, the thing is, the futures is nowhere near these highs. So I'm like, I don't know. Could the futures keep pushing up all the way up into here, or because the currency's grabbed it, could we drop down? That's the thing. I don't know. But it will be interesting to see. But I'm fully out. I'm not on any more buys. I'm not any more buys there. The thing is though, like there's nothing stopping gold from flipping bullish and breaking all-time highs. The reason I've closed my futures is because my entry is clearly at a level where you could just break bottom wick and tap me out before pushing. So there is the possibility to get better entries here. That was just a very quick impulse entry. There's plenty more. Yeah, nice. Spot was ripping. Yeah, close to 17%, 21 ticks. Good job, man. That was fun, yeah. Grab 14 ticks. Nice. 14's good. I think we're going to get better entries here. There's nothing to say that gold, like, you know, look at this 30-minute. I'm watching the 30-minute here. Look at this 30-minute. Just breaking out, bottom wick, and breaking out, bottom wick, and pushing. 5-minute liquidity grab. Like, there's nothing to stop this from just pushing much higher. The only reason I was aggressively locking mine in because my entry wasn't, like, my entry was down here. You know, I'm chilling right now, but my entry wasn't. It was like here. So if we can bottom wick, next level here, still there. Anyone who was shorting gold here, like I said, where was their stops? Just above these highs. So people who were selling here on gold, they've just been squeezed out. So that's the liquidity getting hit there. But now we do have this nice level here as well. Retails might be a little bit smarter. They might have their stops just up here. That's still 31 ticks away. So if we can get another bottom wick, we have more rooms for more longs in here and more of a better trade. Copper's still pushing. And you know, could we grab these highs? Possible. The Express funded accounts and a combine. Well done, Jacob. 33 ticks is amazing, man. Well done. What was it on the currency? Here to here. 20, yeah. Wow, I did not see 20. As it was breaking. I quickly impulsed as it was breaking the highs. Came up for that liquidity, yeah, about 18 on the currency. Paper trading, but grab 70 ticks. Paper trading or live trading, man, you're putting in the work and getting the data. 70 ticks is amazing. Well done. Doesn't matter if it's just paper trading, man. You're putting in the chart time and proving to yourself that you can do it. The real accounts are right around the corner, man. Well done. 70 ticks is fantastic. I wish I got on the charts earlier, because that was a fantastic trade. Currently riding 46 pips on Forex. Nice, Faye. Well done. Awesome work, guys. Look, you guys getting some decent trades there. Well done. Getting some very good trades there. No, I'm out. I'm not in anything. Jumped out when you did $270. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Looks like did everyone just get more than me? I only got 10. Looks like everyone else got more. Well done. Our runner's still in from 72.6. Where are we? Wait, where? 72.6. Wait, down here? Wait. 72.6. Wait. From down here? Oh, like down here? Sniper. Some nice trade. No Gorshi watch. Yeah, I think I need some, man. Send it. They got community. Send it over, man. From Asia. Wow. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, huge, man. Well done. That's the power of holding runners. That runner could, outweigh a lot of losses. That's the power of holding runners, man. Use that runner as a hedge to any losses you take in here. You secure some of this, and it will cover like 2 to 3 trades. That's the real key. That's amazing, man. Well done. Good job on actually holding it as well. It doesn't matter if it's a 10 lot or a 0.01. The fact is, you were able to hold something, and you can see the power of runners. Are you on alpha phase 2? It's still good, man. Doesn't matter. It's still good. There's still emotions involved in that, and you held it, so well done. Doesn't matter how big or small it is. You stuck to your plan and held the runner. I used to use a lot of runners in my personal trading as hedges and anchors in the markets to be able to take other positions, and if they didn't work, I had runners, so I didn't really care. I just closed them out. Right now, I have some long runners here on copper, which if I was to take like 2 or 3 losses today, I could close a small runner here, and that will outweigh all of them losses, and that's the power of holding runners. It could make an all-time high. Yep, it definitely could. I don't think it's going to be from here, though. I mean, what I think of what's going to happen, 2 different things. If I'm going to get back in, I just want to see this. So I'm trying to get my proper entries. I only got a very small chunk of it here today. It was one of them where I was like, man, I know this liquidity is getting grabbed. You guys who got in from down here, did you already spot this liquidity before I shared it? If you did, well done. Good job, Ben. 91 ticks. There you go, man. Well done. That's impressive. Yeah, nice. You did spot the liquidity. Well done, man. That's good. That's literally seeing the exact same, and that's what it's all about. 91 ticks is huge, man. Well done. Where did you get it from, man? Down here as well? Yeah, you just got it from down there. Very, very nice, man. That's our plan to a T. The exact same that happened here. Exact same thing that happened here. Most obvious place for stops. Yeah, absolutely, man. That was it. Most people, you know, shorting from here, stops are above there. Any rejection from here, where's their stops here? I do believe you're going to see some more stops up here, though. But depending on where everyone's entry is, if your entry is around here, you can't really go to break even here. Or if you do, you have to accept that price could get you out and then keep pushing. That's why I would just aggressively lock mine in, because my entry wasn't the best. And I was understanding that price could easily come back down and stop me out before pushing higher. So I'm like, I'll take the quick scalp, and if I can get re-entry to get more, fantastic, I'll do that. But yeah, this wick here is looking really nice to get filled in. Still holding my long trade from 2779. Wow, well done. 2779. You guys are holding some big positions. Well done. 2779. Yeah, huge. From all the way down there. Look at that. To be fair, if you took this entry, this was a very, very nice entry. Like, that was an insane trade. I just wasn't really too sure about AG yesterday with all the gaps. What the hell have I just done here? Let's not do that. Look at that. A 12.5 risk to reward. That's just stupid. That's insane. I'm still in this copper trade. There's only a small position. Wait, let me show you guys. Let me see if I can show you. How do I show you copper trade? Let me see. I have to upload it. This is just some runners I have on this copper trade. Let me take a screenshot here. I closed like 70% when I woke up this morning. How do I show you this? Let me what's the best way to do this? Because if I pop it up, it's going to mess it all up. Screenshots here. Copy. Does this work? Yeah. This is just, and look, this is. Why can I not paste the link? What the hell? Oh, I'll just show it here. Let me just show you guys. I was trying to take the screenshot to upload it. Let me show you. This is all I'm showing you. The only reason I'm showing this is just to show you guys the power of runners. Why can't I not open this? So this is the copper trade I took yesterday. Closed a lot this morning. And now this is just a 0.1 running here on copper. Running at $2,800, just holding a runner. So like I said, this is just the power of holding runners. I need to put a hard stop loss. I never set hard TPs. I haven't set a hard stop loss because it was overnight. And that's the power. I'm not showing you guys say, oh my god, look at my fancy profits. I'm just showing you that to show you that's the reason you want to hold runners. That runner could now make up like 2 or 3 losses. I could take 2 or 3 losses trying to trade gold today and close that runner and be good. But if you always just close full and never hold runners, again, depending, if you guys are trying to day trade futures, this is different. I'm just talking for like higher time frame plays. And you can still, like, even, you know, here, like if you trade more than one contract, you know, you buy here, you hold some runners, like these runners can be really big. You could try to take shorts up here. If your shorts don't work, cool, close your runners, you break even. Fantastic. You haven't taken a loss. So not you know, every time you open a new trade doesn't have to mean P&L wise you're back to scratch again. Good night, guys. See you, man. See you next time. Look at this. This is beautiful here on gold. More rejections from here. Stops are going to be above here. We pull back. We're going to get some really nice longs. I do think this is a very decent, and this happened very early. I don't really see Asia move that early, but this is a very decent Asia push. 100 ticks. So if you can pull back from here, more buys. If I do want to get long on Asia, which will stay on for a little bit longer, is below these lows. 6A flip of the daily. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Let me just set an alert here on gold. Let's have a look. flip of the daily. Yeah, look at that. So look at yesterday. Yes, or I would say here would be a nice level. What I would want to see if I was going to trade Australian dollar futures, I want to see next 4 hour come down, grab the lows, hold this support, and then look for longs. Something similar to this. Look at this. Massive wick. Doesn't have to be that big. That's probably some sort of news wick, but a wick of some 4 hour lows, hold the support, and then longs from there look pretty good to me. Then you can get a decent stop. Or if it does just push from here, yeah, wait for it to break that, and then you can push it. But I'd like to see, yeah, next 4 hour, come down, grab them lows, hold support, and then you can see if you can get it. Let's have a look at the euros. Very similar. Is gold just ripping? Look at gold ripping. 30 minutes probably the nicest time frame today on gold. Yeah, look at that, still pushing. Anyone still got some runners here on gold? I did not. I wish I got that. I didn't get that. I didn't take that copper trade on top step because I literally executed and then went to sleep, but I wish I did. I wish I did. Still in 2 positions, nice. With the way this is breaking out, to be honest, I wouldn't surprise if you just see a quick bottom wick and just keep pushing. I don't think you'll pull back that much. I think you're easily going to rip these highs. Good job on holding as well, especially when everyone else was saying they were securing. You stuck to your plan, you're holding. That's amazing. Well done. If we can get, the only way I'm just trying to see how could I get back in this. I would need to see again. Don't know whether it happens or not. We'll see. I just kind of want to see a aggressive grab of some lows, break back above, and then want to see if I can get in it. Something similar to this. Even just this, like this, a grab of the lows and then take this from here to here. Same as the one we took yesterday after stream in the market chat here. Once it's this overextended, it's kind of hard for me to buy. But if I want to get back in, I want to see some lows grabbed, and then I'll get in. And even that one yesterday, about 30 ticks, which is nice. That's all I want to see here. 1 minute. 1 minute. Headed to bed later on. Awesome, man. See you next time. Running at 38 ticks. Nice. 6 micros, well done. Good hold. Alpha 40, nice, well done. Good work. Very active Asian session today. London will be interesting. London will be interesting. How was the daily close? I know it was bullish, but it was a pretty strong, yeah, you're going to fill in. There's a very high chance you're going to fill in yesterday's wick. Although it was a big wick rejection, you're coming that close to it now that if you were to reject from here, well, you're going to have liquidity, so... Yesterday's high does look like a nice target. Looks like a really nice target. And if we look at this, this is a good job to you guys who spotted this. No, not on that one. FXCM. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That is our setup to an absolute T. Like, that is beautiful. See, if I didn't check my broker, I wouldn't have seen that. So good job to you guys who did. That right there is... perfect trade. You can either flip it from here, risking off the liquidity low that we did in another Asian session, up into there, 90. Even if you didn't get it from there, that 60, like that right there. That's what we absolutely love to see, and this is what we spoke about a lot on the retreat slides as well. That is a very, very simple but pattern that happens on gold crazy often. Like, it is absolutely beautiful. Same thing to the highs and the lows. Look at that, that's beautiful. You're looking at this on gold, what would you be right doing? I used to be selling. Nice hourly bottom wick. Let me see. 15, yeah, 15 grams lows and pull back. It'd be nice. 4 white soldiers. I haven't seen that, man. Is it similar? Oh yeah, nice, nice, nice. That looks good. Nice. Yeah, gold does these morning and evening stars crazy often. Crazy, crazy often. Let's see. Could have some re-entries. Oh, have I just deleted all my levels? Oh. Oh no. Let's see, let's see. Did we just grab the lows? Oh, did we just grab the lows? Yes, we did. If gold flips bullish here, you may get long again. Let's see this in the currency. Sorry, futures. This currency does look nice. Futures, let me see. Futures 15. What? Futures 15 is very different, which is a little bit tough. May consider a breakout for the high in this future soon, around like 57.1. I have no orders in just yet. This can flip bullish, especially with the currency grab and the lows. Currency grab and the lows breaking out. It's also an instant hourly bottom wick. Yeah, I like this. This is a decent bottom wick. Is that an instant bottom wick on the... Yeah, instant bottom wick on the hourly. The currency you can manage off this low. I'm not in yet, guys. I don't... The currency you can get a stop loss. The futures you can't. The currency, if you get this flip, your stop's there. Your targets can come much higher. But the futures I can't really get a stop, so... Not too sure how I'd manage that. You'd probably have to cut it as the currency's breaking the lows. It's only 5 minutes into the hour here. Oh, big dip down there on the futures. Big dip down there. So if you can flip bullish from here, this actually could be quite nice. Currency's already trying to flip. Futures. It's gone very different again. Futures is still pushing down here. Let me just run to the toilet, guys. 2 seconds. If you guys are in the currency, you're laughing. Because the currency is flipping, but the futures isn't. But it's getting pretty volatile. Currency's pushing beautifully. Futures is not. Futures is still squeezing lower. Yeah, I mean, if there's gonna be one, it's gonna be here. This is more so a sell trap. If you guys are in this, with how aggressive this is looking, I'd cut that there. If you're gonna break the highs and drive, you would have done it already. If anyone's getting trapped on the wrong side of gold right now, it's people rejecting from here is nothing but a retail trap to jump in shorts. Doesn't mean we can't have a little bit more of a pullback, which is what I want to see to be able to get in longs. Then squeeze the highs. But yeah, be watching this liquidity level here. If we can pull back from here without grabbing it, this could give some really nice buys today. But imagine this is what most people are trying to do. Most people are trying to short here. Where stops? Just above that previous high. Exactly the same thing here. Rejection from here. What is this? People jump in shorts. Where's their stop? Right above here. So this is good. If we can pull back from here, this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity. How's that 30 minute? 30 minute grabbing the highs, topping out, which is nice. Hourly grabbing previous hourly highs. Yeah, it would make sense to have a bit of a pullback. And from what, down here to there? 30 plus ticks. I like that. I like that. Getting some pretty crazy volume here though. 5 minute. Grabbing lows, bullish, grabbing the highs. I like this area. If I'm going to buy gold again, it's going to be down here. Down here. If you did take this little 5 flip as you grab the lows and close bullish, as soon as you grab the highs and fail to drive and come down, cool, cut it there. Same thing we did here. This is going to be a real nice level today. Real nice level. Copper. Anything else? Anything else moving? Let's have a look at yen futures. Oh, nice. Tried to break out yesterday. That was the daily. Futures going down. Yeah, futures is, that's the thing. That's why I didn't take it. Futures was pushing down. Currency was flipping bullish. We got time. Daily bullish, ugly. Does look good if you can see this as although the daily is pretty ugly. Look at this on the yen futures. Came down, grabbed the lows, held support. If this daily can flip bullish on the yen futures, could have a nice push. Goldie, oh look at that. Yeah, Goldie squeezing lower here. This is good. This is what we want to see. Don't think it's going to happen till London though. I think you need to create some space. Create some space, grab some lows. Yeah, really nice push down there on the futures. How much is the futures pushing down? Futures pushing down, 30 ticks. A very nice push though. Decent rejections here. Look at that. Beautiful highs. It did break the 4-hour highs. Oh, very interesting. Yes, it did, yeah. Wow, look at that 4-hour close. Need to go to bed during London. With Asia having such a big move, it wouldn't surprise me if London chops and then breaks out later on. Kind of what happens when you have a big move in Asia, London goes a little bit quieter, or you get a bigger push towards like 11 AM London time. If we could see gold at all-time highs today, we could have some big plays. Big plays. What news do we have today? Let's have a look. Got Jolt's job openings at 3 p.m. London time. So you've got quite a while until that. Remember, it is a NFP week this week as well. PMI on Wednesday, unemployment claims on Thursday, and then NFP on sorry. Let's get there. There we go. NFP on Friday. That's what I mean. If you guys have had a good start to the week, don't throw it all away. It is still NFP week. Ideally, I don't think maybe it would, like these lows here would be a great buy. Below here, that would be a very nice buy. Was the DAX? Hopefully, DAX will shape up a little bit nicer today. Squeezing up. Copper, getting there. That might be it for gold for Asia. You know, this is some very big moves today. 100 ticks in Asia is a lot for gold. After a 100 tick move, there's a high chance you can just... So you need to get maybe like a potential hour's worth of price action. All you really want to see is gold just coming down, holding some support, grabbing the lows, and then boom, re-breaking back to the upside. That's what we want to see for Goldie. Let me post this into Discord. Love these live streams. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Appreciate you tuning in. Hopefully you gained some sort of value from today. Hope you guys did make some nice money on the way up, on these buys up. Could get some more buys later on here on gold, but I don't think it's going to be just yet. Look at this, grabbing the highs, closing bearish. As long as you close back below this range, you could push lower. However, if you do grab some lows and close back above later on, bam, amazing. Whether that comes in London or comes in New York, we'll see. But that later on does look nice. But as long as you close below here, could have a little bit of a pullback before you see them longs later on. Yeah, sent up a beautiful one. Very nice one. Let's see if 15 closing. 15 is going to close bearish. We need to go. Probably be it for gold in Asia. Like I say, it's a very decent move. Yeah, grabbing highs, closing back into the range there on Goldie. Instant bottom wick. Coming in some big areas. Yeah, that's a pretty decent push there, guys. We've had some nice buys today. I don't think we force it for the sake of it. We could get some more trades shaping up a little bit later on, but for Asia, to be honest, 100 plus ticks in Asia is a very decent move. So yeah, I'm going to leave gold now for the next 2 to 3 hours. Maybe watch it closer to London, which you guys on Zoom will jump on the pre-London call closer to then. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Trade safe for the rest of the day, guys. And I'll see you guys closer to London. Cheers, guys. Talk soon. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube, guys. we'll let gold go there. We took some nice buys here today. I think we're going to get some nice buys later on. However, Asia has had a 100-tick move up today, which has been very, very nice. If you guys did take advantage of the buys that we shared, well done. Be sure to tune in tomorrow because we'll go live for the London session. And trade safe the rest of Asia, guys. We've had a lot of price today. Asia could create some ranges, and we'll do it all over again tomorrow. So trade safe, guys. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.